Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach Google Notebooklm, which is a research AI tool. So first, what you are going to do is I am going to go to Google Notebooklm. Okay, so LM. Okay, so type on that. You can click on this. This is the very best tool when you are doing the lecture. When you if you may be a lectures or student, you can make your assignment, or when you are preparing the exams, all the things. This AI tool is very helpful for us. Click on the try, this one. Here you can see, click create new. Here you will be, if you are a student, they are giving you a PDF. Uh, your institute or campus give to you the PDF files. So that PDF file consists of all the syllabus, all the chapters where you are going to prepare for your exam. All the PDF files you have to upload it off here. You just drag and upload it. After upload the files, all the files will be uploaded into the notebook. So you can ask the question of that one. I need a 100 question inside this doc. They will be prepare for the exam question for 100 questions. You will be able easily, you can find out the answer and answer along with the questions. You usually prepare for the exam. Okay, so here I want at the moment I don't have any PDF files. Instead of that, I am going to go to the YouTube channel. So YouTube, so here you can go here. So I'm going to go to my channel, which is Tutors Funny. You can pick up every videos over here, my channel. So you can see here, I am going to go to get this video. What this video explain? Figma. I just click on this link. So I want to put into over here the YouTube link. So if you want to get the summarize of the video, what they explain of this video. Okay, this is only this video consists of nearly 5 minute duration. You can pick up the video which will be more than 2 hours duration. It's nothing matter. You can easily, it will be summarized and give to the summary of that video, what the video inside this video, what are the content they are going to explain. Everything you will be able to get the summarize of this video. Click on insert. You will be able to see here. A YouTube video tutorial Sony offers step-by-step utilize the mask features in Figma, the popular for UI UX design. The instructor given the views to log in your Gmail credential, create a project. Okay, so everything it will be explained. What I did, everything it detailing, it's explained. Without watching the video, here it will be detailing, it will be explained. This one I have explained. Without, we have login our Figma account via our Gmail credential and create a new project. Navigation workshop work here, referring the frame, and I am inserting the images, sizing the everything I explained. Okay, so here this ellipse tool shape, everything I did mask, how to apply the mask and everything it will be explained. That's why it's a very powerful tool in by Google. Okay, Notebooklm, the very efficient tool. Okay, so this is only the things I have put in the whatever YouTube channel. You can just here, this link also, you just copy and paste it over here. Click add YouTube, you select the YouTube and paste it on it here. You will be able to get this one. Okay, so here is prepared. Click on that. Here, hi friends, this everything what I explained, everything it will be explaining. So it will be simply, it will summarize here. The extent summary, transcript the video here, airline reservation system. Here's everything it will be explained. Simply it will be explaining the guide. You will be able to see. Okay, what I did is everything is there. You just go through and you can do it here. Customize management, database integration, everything's there. GI development, everything's there. You can say discuss the GI development, everything should be there. Okay, very simple, right? So not like this. Now I'm going to go to my website Tutors Fund. You can see, you just put the link on here. click add button, website link, you can put it over here and click insert. The what is there on the here, this GI discussion, everything is to explain what I did here is. So here tutors funny, it is guide, see everything here. What are the recently what I uploaded, everything it will here. In what are the content in my website, everything is coming there here. Recent post, everything here. It's very simple too. Okay, so then when you go to the Wikipedia, I'm going to Wikipedia. Also I made Taj Mahal. I want to know about the Taj Mahal. So this Wikipedia, I just put it here. I want to summarize the things of Taj Mahal. If you are universities tell that you want to research, doing the research of the Taj Mahal, so just put in the Wikipedia link, you just copy and you can go over here, click create, click the websites, the Wikipedia link here, insert it. Here you can see here. Okay, it's simply summarize what is the Taj Mahal is. Okay, so here you click on that, see everything here where it is copied from, everything is attached here. Overview, everything here, it will be attached here. Main page, what I said, it content, everything is there. Okay, it's summarized here. Simply it is summarize and give to the simple output of Taj Mahal. Okay, you can here, you can ask any questions. Okay, whatever question you can ask about here, it will be answered. Okay, so here height, you have to ask the height. What is the answer? Okay, simply you can ask whatever, it will be here. It's simply what is the height and everything is mentioned here. Okay, so it's very simple. You have to gain lot of knowledge from here. Okay, from this notebook AI. This is the very best AI tool for research purpose. Okay, this is for the research purpose. We are using for the research purpose. Okay, this tool is where Google invented for the purpose of research. Okay, so you can get the benefit of this. Here you can get the mind map and everything you can generate it. So not only this, you can whatever you having a PDF file on the your college give you the PDF files. So all the PDF you uploaded, and you can you can tell that yes, the Taj Mahal also I need the 5 questions. I need you to prepare for 5 questions. If you do it, you can see here. It simply it will be understand and prepare the 5 questions according to your doc, and it will be asked along with the question. You can see here. Very simple. You can gain lot of knowledge from here. Okay, we can gain lot of knowledge from here. Whatever. Okay, so you can do it here. What is the key architecture of the Taj Mahal here? The answer also, it implement the answers and everything. Okay, right? The first question, the second question, third question, what are the material were used and how was Taj Mahal constructed? The materials also here. It's very good questions. Okay, you can go along with the what is the symbolic meaning of attributes to Taj Mahal, design and overall complex, everything is used there. Okay, thank you for watching.